Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change default Python version in Windows 10 and 11 easy tutorial. So if you have multiple Python versions installed on your Windows machine, you might notice that running Python in the command prompt or terminal uses an older or incorrect version by default. So this guide will show you step by step how to change the default Python version in Windows 10 and 11, ensuring the correct version runs every time you use Python. Now, to ensure that multiple Python versions are installed on your system, you can download them from the official Python website, which is python.org. And we have to verify the installation or and we have to verify the installed Python version by opening command prompt or PowerShell and running this line. So let's search for command prompt first and type in these lines. So we have two lines in here, Python version, which is 3.12.4 and Python 3 version 3.13.1. So we have different or two Python versions in here. Now, since you have identified already that we have Pythons installed onto our system, let's type the following command in here to list all of the Python version and to identify where they are located. So type in where, then Python, click on enter. And as you can see, we have here the different file location. Make a note of the path for the version that you want as your default. 3.13 is the latest one, so we're going to take a note of this file path in here, which is this one. Now, to set the desired Python version as default, we need to update the path environment variable for that. So we're just going to head onto the environment variables of our device. So to do so, let's just search environment variables in here. So we have that, edit the system environment variables, and let's open that one here. So we have environment variables in here, click onto that, and onto the system variables in here, we need to scroll down and find the path variable, which is this one. Select it, and then we'll have to edit this. Look for entries pointing to Python directories in here. And if the desired Python version is not listed, you'll just have to click new in here, then add the Python to its installation folder, like this one. Then we'll just have to click on OK for that. Click onto this back again, and make sure to move the path of your desired Python version to the top of the list by using the Move Up button. So we have that here. Let's put this here onto the upper part and click on OK. So once done, just click on OK to save the changes and click on OK. Now we need to open a new command prompt right after that to reload the updated path. Then type in the following command again. And once you click enter, you should be able to see, or the output should now show the version you set as default, which is the updated one, the 3.13.1. Changing the default Python version in Windows 10 or 11 is a straightforward once you understand how path or the path environment variable works. By following this tutorial, you can ensure the correct Python version is used globally or within a specific project. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.